Hey first graders, happy Wednesday. Today we are going to be continuing on with our number corner and getting another number colored in on our 120 chart so we can get closer to figuring out what Tad is trying to catch. Alright, let's start with the patterns, and I want you to just double check with yourself of what you thought you were going to see on our number card for today. Did you know it was going to be purple? And did you know it was going to have arrows on it? I hope you answered yes to both of those, since those are following the patterns and we've been working on extending this pattern all month long. So let's start by writing the date. As our card for today says, it's the 27th of May. Today is May 27th, and the crazy thing is it's our second to last day of school. May 27. Don't forget that little comma in there. 2020. And remember, May is the 5th month. We're on the 27th day of the month and the 20th, 2020 for the year. All right, let's work on using our 120 chart to count with. So let's look at our number card for today. It says that Tad starts on the 45, which he's sitting there smiling right now, and he needs to hop 2 to the left. So when we go up and down on the 120 chart, we're adding 10 or taking away 10. But when we go to the left and right, remember we are either adding 1 or taking away 1. So look on your 120 chart. If he takes 2 hops to the left, is he going to be taking away 2 or adding 2? Alright, I hope you said taking away 2, because when he hops to the left, the number gets smaller. So I'll take 1 hop to the left and he lands on 44, another hop to the left and he lands on 43. Alright, what color crayon do you need to get out? I hope you said purple, because our number card for today is purple, which tells us that we need to color 43 in with our purple. And then we have a pretty easy equation for today. So, Tad's sitting there on our purple 43. Let's think about our equation. Well, he started on the 45. How many did he take away? He only took away 2. So 45 minus 2 equals what? 43. That's where Tad landed today. All right. Let's move on to our calendar grid observations. So today is May 27th, so 5-27. Tad started on the 45 today. And then which way did his hops go today? He took 2 hops to the left, which is the same thing as minus 2. So let's see if we got our equation correct. It should be 45 minus 2 equals 43, and it is correct. Now since he landed on 43, that should be our ending number. All right. Now we have our days in school and a quarter a day data collection. For our days in school, yesterday we ended with 148 days, so today we're going to add another X. Think in your mind about what is 148 plus 1. It is 149. So now we don't have 8 ones anymore, we have 9 extra ones. That's why we changed the ones place to a 9. Okay, so now our number should say 149. How many days of school are we going to end at tomorrow on the last day of school? Think about it. What comes after 149? So now we'll change our expanded form. It needs to say 149 equals, which would be the same thing. Well, I'll show you how to reverse it after this one. So 149 equals, we have 100, which shows this group of 100, and it also shows that this 1 is representing 100. Then we have plus 40, which shows this group of 4 tens right here, and this 4 in 149 means 40. And then we need to change our 8 to 9. So now we have 9 extra ones, which are these red X's right here, and this 9 in 149 shows that there's 9 extra ones. Now tomorrow this is going to turn into a group of 10. So think about how our number is going to look different for tomorrow when we don't have any ones left, because there won't be any x's in this column. This is going to turn into one solid red column just like this one. Another way to write this is to just flip it around. So you could say 100 plus 40 plus 9 equals 149. Remember, the equal sign simply means the same as. So you could say 149 is the same as 100 plus 40 plus 9, or you could say 100 plus 40 plus 9 is the same as 149. So those are identical equations. They're just turned around. Don't forget, I want you to challenge your brain to write one addition equation that equals 149 and one subtraction equation that equals 149, and don't just do plus 1 or minus 1. Do one that's actually challenging to your brain. All right, let's look at our quarter-a-day data collection. Yesterday, oops, I forgot to change this from yesterday. Yesterday we got up to $3.50. Today we're adding another quarter. If you add 25 cents to $3.50, what do you get? Let's count together. We have $1, $2, $3, $3.25, $3.50, $3.75. Uh-oh, and our quarters disappeared yesterday too. So we'll add another quarter down there, so now we have $3. Here's what 75 cents looks like when it's in quarters. So $3.75. All right, what are we going to end with tomorrow on the last day of school when we add one more quarter to that last one? What do you think? Remember, 4 quarters equals $1. All right, and before I let you guys go today, I have another activity for you. You get to do another page in your Number Corner workbook, okay? So we're going to make this a little bigger so it's easier for you guys to see. All right, so this is on page 66 in your workbook that you should already have out because you were using it to color in what Tad is trying to catch. And now this is super similar to the one you did, I believe, on page 65. So you need a couple colors. You need a yellow crayon, black, blue, orange, and brown. And I'll show you what we're doing here. So I'm going to use a highlighter since it's easier for you guys to see. So this says color each box yellow. So basically what you're doing on this page is you're working on adding 10 and subtracting 10 from any number on the 120 chart. So this has been your learning target all month, the whole month of May. So by now you guys should be pros at it. Your first problem is 19 minus 10. Now when you first think about that, that might sound kind of confusing, but remember, when you're on your 120 chart, all you have to do is find 19, and to take away 10, which way do you have to hop? All you have to do is hop up this way, okay? So when we hop up, we're taking away 10. So I'm going to color this in. 19 minus 10 equals 9. Now let's do this one, 20 minus 10. Well, here's a 20. All I have to do is hop up. Okay, 20 minus 10 is 10. All right, let's try another one. Now we need blue. Color each box blue. All right, 91 minus 10. I'm going to find 91. I'm going to hop up to take away 10, and I land on 81. Oh, what I forgot to do is cross off those two I did with yellow so I don't do them again. Okay, now I'll show you the orange one. It says color each box orange. 14 plus 10. Ooh, remember, when you're adding 10, which way do you hop? You go down. So here's 14. To add 10, all I need to do is hop down one box, and there it is, 24. 14 plus 10 equals 24, and I cross that one off. Now these ones I need a brown for. We're going to use this for brown even though it's super light brown. Alright, the first one said 85 minus 10. So find 85. I'm doing minus 10, so I have to hop up. 85 minus 10 is 75. And let's do the last one, which is black. So I'm going to use like a dark gray so you can actually still see the words through it. 15 plus 10. Here's 15. If I do plus 10, I land on the 25. Alright, so this is going to create a picture. So just finish solving all of the problems on there and make sure you have the proper colors. And I'd love to see a picture of it on Seesaw when you're done. Alright, good luck friends, and remember all you have to do is hop up or down to take away 10 or to add 10. Have fun learning, can't wait to see what the picture is.